Ferrofluid. Ferrofluid is a liquid that becomes strongly magnetic when placed in a magnetic field. For example, in this beaker we have a ferrofluid. When an external magnetic field is applied across this beaker, these tiny particles becomes a magnetic, and when the external magnetic field is removed, they behave like a normal liquid. There is no magnetic field, and these tiny particles are suspended in a liquid, and these particles can be hematite or magnetite. The applications, for example, ferrofluid is a liquid that becomes strongly magnetic when placed in a magnetic field. It contains tiny particles, magnetite, hematite, suspended in a liquid. Without a magnet nearby, ferrofluid behaves like a normal liquid. Here, this liquid ferrofluid behaves like a normal liquid. But when a magnet is brought close to the particles, the particle becomes magnetized. Now, a magnet is brought near the ferrofluid, the particle becomes magnetized and aligned with the magnetic poles. If the magnet is removed, the particle lost magnetism and behave like a normal liquid. Applications. They are used in medical MRI, for targeted drug delivery, loudspeaker etc.